Hello बच्चों, let's read the question. The question says that if sin 2x, 1 by 2 and cos 2x are in AP, then the journal values of x are given by A, B, C, D options given है हमारे पास. So first of all, key concept क्या use करेंगे? Key concept. First result is, let us suppose A, B, C are in AP. Then condition क्या होती है हमारे पास? A plus C equals to 2 times of its middle term which is B. And second result क्या use करेंगे? It is when sin theta equals to sin alpha, then general solution of theta it is equal to n pi plus minus 1 raised to power n into alpha, where n belongs to any integer. And third result is when tan theta equals to tan alpha, then general solution of theta it is equal to n pi plus alpha, where n belongs to any integer. So now इसके concept को use करके क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करते हैं. स्टेटमेंट में टर्म्स क्या गिवन है हमारे पास? sin 2x, 1 by 2 and last term is cos 2x are in AP में गिवन है हमारे पास. So according to condition, sin 2x plus cos 2x which is equal to 2 times 1 upon 2 which is equal to 1. So from here it can be written as sin 2x equals to 1 minus cos 2x which is equal to sin 2x equals to 1 minus cos 2x किसके इक्वल होता है? 2 sin square x. So from here sin 2x का फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे which is 2 into sin x into cos x equals to 2 sin square x. So from here 2 के साथ 2 कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा. रिमेनिंग टर्म्स आर sin x into cos x minus sin square x it is equal to 0. So from here take sin x common. It becomes sin x into cos x minus sin x equals to 0. So from here we can say that either sin x equals to 0 or cos x minus sin x equals to 0. When sin x equals to 0, it can be written as sin x equals to sin 0 degree. This is in the form of sin theta equals to sin alpha. So from here x equals to n pi plus minus 1 raised to power n into alpha which is 0. So from here x equals to n pi, where n belongs to any integer. And second case क्या आएगा हमारे पास? When cos x minus sin x equals to 0. So from here cos x equals to sin x which is equal to tan x equals to 1. It can be written as tan x equals to tan pi upon 4. So now this is in the form of tan theta equals to tan alpha. So from here x equals to n pi plus pi upon 4, where n belongs to any integer. So x की वैल्यूज क्या आ गई हमारे पास? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल n pi and other is n pi plus pi upon 4, where n belongs to any integer. Now options के साथ मैच करते हैं. So from given options, option B is the correct answer. I hope you all understand it well. Best of luck.